The only thing you needed to do all this time to be successful in crypto is to buy and hold Ethereum. It's a no-brainer. A no-brainer. Ethereum continues to be a massively bullish asset. In today's video, I'm going to cover the results of EIP 1559. That is the Ethereum burning mechanism. Very interesting what's been going on there. The Ethereum supply crisis is continuing to heat up. Crazy implications for the price with the supply squeeze going on. And Coinbase has released its Q2 report with some very interesting implications for Ethereum. My name's Lark. Every day I make videos talking about cryptocurrency investing, so if that's a topic that you would like to learn some more about, make sure you are a subscriber to the Lark Davis channel. Gently tap on the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm, and click on the notification bell to know when I put out a new video. Real quick as well, every single week my team and I produce Wealth Mastery. This is a cryptocurrency investor report. Every single issue, you get a deep dive on an altcoin, a step-by-step DeFi tutorial, top-tier technical analysis, my portfolio insights, the latest airdrops, the latest token sales, and much, much more. All of that for less than $10 a week, meaning this is the most value-packed and at the same time, the most affordable investor report on the market. Click on the link down below me here where you can learn more about becoming a member today. Now, just one quick thing before we get into this news. I wanted to share this from Altcoin Daily. They posted a funny meme. Ethereum overtaking MasterCard in market cap. Priceless. There are some things MasterCard can't buy. For everything else, there's Ethereum. I love it, guys. I love it. That's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, let's get serious now. Get straight into the news here. So, Coinbase has released its Q2 report. Very interesting things coming out of this report. Now, first, I want to talk about trading volume because this is one of the crazy parts here. 26% of their trading volume, as you can see right here, was Ethereum. Only 24% Bitcoin. That means that Ethereum is the most traded asset on Coinbase right now. It has literally flipped Bitcoin in terms of interest from investors. And who is investing over on Coinbase? Well, have a look at this. Trading volume by the billions. Who is leading the pack here? It's not retail, 145 billion, obviously very significant. $317 billion of institutional volume. That's incredible. Now remember the statistics we just talked about 20 seconds ago. Ethereum is leading the pack in terms of total trading volume. That means institutions are buying Ethereum like freaking crazy. Yes, they're getting exposure to Bitcoin. Yes, they're still buying Bitcoin. Yes, the Bitcoin statistics are still very, very exciting. But Ethereum leading the pack here. And they also talked a bit about who their customers are over at Coinbase. They said 10 of the top 100 hedge funds by assets under management are among their clientele. That is, of course, along with Elon Musk, PNC Bank, which we'll talk more about in a minute, SpaceX, Tesla, and on and on and on. Incredible. We have some of the world's biggest hedge funds. Some of the world's biggest hedge funds out there buying Ethereum. Obviously, they're getting into Bitcoin too, and that's very exciting as well. But big money is seeing the investment potential of the Ethereum asset, and it's starting to outpace Bitcoin in terms of total trading volume. Now, the Coinbase report, it's not necessarily anything new in terms of Ethereum outpacing Bitcoin in terms of total trading volume. We've seen a lot of days this year already where Ethereum has been the leading asset in terms of total trading volume. Bitcoin still has a lot of really good days, obviously, but Ethereum now literally overtaking Bitcoin in terms of trading volume on a lot of days. And in Q2, over a 3-month period, Ethereum was the preferred asset by a small margin, but still by a margin over on Coinbase. And of course, that is primarily institutional money. Very, very fascinating. And of course, we have all those other bullish statistics. Ethereum continues to settle 3 times as much value every single day on chain compared to Bitcoin. And this one here just blows my freaking mind. This is cryptofees.info. So this is the 7-day average fees collected by different platforms. Ethereum, $17.5 million in fees over the last 7 days. Obviously, Ethereum fees are high. I made a video about that topic yesterday. But what blows my mind here is how well the protocols are doing. Look at this. Uniswap, 3.8 million. Aave, nearly a million. SushiSwap, a little over 1 million. Compound, Balancer, Maker, Bancor, Optimism, Synthetics. This is all Ethereum-based stuff. The biggest non-Ethereum fee generator is the BINANCE Smart Chain. And our old buddy Bitcoin down here at number 6, $500,000. Crazy, we have protocols like SushiSwap and Aave doing twice as much in daily fees compared to Bitcoin, and Uniswap doing many magnitudes more. Very interesting to see the Ethereum network, because remember, that's all Ethereum stuff. The Ethereum network so massively outpacing Bitcoin in terms of the fees generated by the actual applications, the money being moved around on chain. And now, of course, we're seeing this big shift in institutional money getting interested in the asset, and it's starting to beat Ethereum in terms of total volume traded. Now let's talk about the ongoing supply crisis for Ethereum. Ether held on centralized exchanges has just hit a 3-year low. Only 9.4% of the total supply of Ethereum is being held in centralized exchanges. Now, there's a few things going on here. We have a lot of Ethereum flowing into the ETH 2.0 deposit contract for staking. We have a lot of Ethereum going into DeFi, being used for, lending out and stuff in protocols like Aave. We have a lot of Ethereum being bought up and taken off of centralized exchanges to go and buy JPEGs over on OpenSea. People love the NFTs, man. They're going crazy for them right now. People are using Ethereum in the network. They're holding Ethereum in their wallets. Once they get in, they don't necessarily need to go back out. If you want to get back into cash, you can just go into USDC. You don't need to cash out. Or you can just hold, of course, your Ethereum because it's a mega bullish asset. But this says to me, supply squeeze territory. Such a small amount of the total supply of this asset is available across all of the big centralized exchanges. That's Coinbase, that's Binance, that's Kraken, that's Bitfinex, Bittrex, all these big guys. All of them together. 9.4% of the total supply of Ethereum. What? That is craziness, man. And it's only falling. This number, it's just been going down straight, basically, for the entire year. Oh, there was a little bump back up during the mid-cycle bear trend we were having there, but holy cow, man, this is mind-boggling demand. How long until this is 8%, 7%, 6%? What happens when nobody can get their hands on Ethereum because it's all being hoarded, stuck into the staking contract, being used in DeFi, being used to flip NFTs over on OpenSea? It's crazy stuff. Crazy stuff we're seeing right here. That's incredible statistics. Willie Wu, on-chain analyst, he also shared some great stats here about the Ethereum supply shock. He said it looks like the market overpriced it back in May, but is probably underpricing it now in July and August. Very, very interesting. He also shared a good chart here. This is an oscillator view. So we can bring this up, and let me just get myself off of the screen there real quick so you can have a better view of that. So Ethereum supply shock oscillator, we can see that we came down into a very low zone, and we're bouncing back up very hard right now with, of course, the price recovery. So that's pushing us back into supply shock zone, essentially. So, wow, just so many things lining up right now for Ethereum to just go crazy in price over the coming years. With Ethereum, I'm looking at this as a 5 to 10 year investment. I mean, and if the staking rewards are good enough, you don't even need to exit it. You just hold on to your Ethereum, keep getting staking rewards, and make loads of moolah. We also have this going on right now. The Ethereum supply has flipped briefly into deflation as gas fees on the network spike. So we've now had around 800 blocks mined for Ethereum that were actually deflationary blocks. So this whole NFT mania that's going on right now. We're seeing NFT drops going on. We're seeing big NFT mints going on. And when that happens, there's an incredible amount of demand for the Ethereum network. People are paying crazy, crazy fees to try to get their transactions through, to try to get those NFT drops. And as a result, we've seen massive fee price spikes, which again, we discussed yesterday. We've also seen an incredible amount of Ethereum being burned. In fact, there was one block today where 50 Ethereum was burned in one single freaking block, which is massive, massive. So we're already seeing deflationary pressure coming in. And look, there's been a lot more than 800 blocks mined since EIP 1559 went live. Ethereum is not deflationary yet. I want to point that out. But we are seeing some blocks actually slip into deflationary zone, which is very interesting. So wow, we're definitely seeing the impact of this critical Ethereum upgrade already. And that's got a very interesting implication for the price of Ethereum moving forward. Anyway, just my two gway for the day. My question for you is actually about NFTs. Have you been buying and flipping any NFTs recently? Have you been playing this game? There's a big, crazy game of NFTs going on out there in case you haven't been paying attention. If you have been playing the NFT game, doing the NFT flipping, what have you been flipping? What are the NFTs that you've been buying and you've been selling? Let us all know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.